ActionSA challenges party funding transparency, takes IEC to court over alleged irregularities. ActionSA, the South African political party, has raised serious allegations against both the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, and the Sizwe Party regarding their political party funding disclosures. The disclosures, which are a requirement under the Political Party Funding Act, have been called into question due to what appears to be a vast discrepancy between the reported donations and the scale of the party's respective election campaigns. The Independent Electoral Commission of South Africa, IEC, had released figures indicating that for the period of April to June, the EFF and MKP declared donations significantly less than the apparent expenses incurred during their campaigns. The EFF reported in-kind donations amounting to R550,313, primarily from MTN. In contrast, MKP declared R380,555 from the South African Policy Education Initiative. ActionSA has criticized these disclosures as insufficient, given the magnitude of spending attributed to both parties. The EFF is alleged to have spent over $100 million on stadium events alone, while the MKP, despite being a relative newcomer, is speculated to have access to significant, potentially foreign funding sources. Michael Beaumont, ActionSA's national chairperson, emphasized the importance of voter transparency and urged the IEC to initiate investigations without waiting for self-incrimination by the parties involved. According to Beaumont, the allegations suggest that the disclosed funds are highly disproportionate to the actual expenses, triggering legal obligations for the IEC to take action. Further intensifying the controversy, ActionSA has also launched legal proceedings against the IEC concerning its handling of the R150 million Ezulweni investments debt settlement with the African National Congress, ANC. According to ActionSA's assessment, the settlement may contravene the Party Funding Act. They highlight that the ANC had disclosed only R10 million in contributions for the relevant quarter, which does not correlate with the size of the settlement. ActionSA also suspects South African taxpayers might be inadvertently financing the settlement, as Ezulweni Investments is known to be a registered vendor for a KwaZulu-Natal municipality. To date, the IEC has yet to conduct a thorough investigation into these matters or provide detailed progress reports, despite multiple attempts by ActionSA to engage. The IEC's legal team initially stated the matter was being handled in accordance with the Act, but later backtracked, suggesting lack of prima facie case. ActionSA is undeterred and plans to force the IEC's hand by legally obtaining the record of their decision and, if necessary, challenging the decision in court to ensure the transparency and integrity of South Africa's democratic processes. Thank you for choosing Satori News.